So in this video, I am going to show you how to remove billing address from Shopify checkout. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to head on your Shopify admin page or simply go to admin.shopify.com, and from here in your Shopify store page, what you want to do is to click on settings, which is located in the lower left corner of the screen right here, as you can see. And from here what you want to do is to simply select your checkout settings. Okay, now from here you want to scroll down and find this computer information section. Okay, from here find the fourth settings, which says shipping address, phone number. So this will be your billing address from the shop if I check out. So to remove this, just simply select don't include. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this.